What if I told you that's something you can do every night and help increase your progress faster, faster? No further ado, man. I promise you don't want to miss the video. Let's get into it. Let's get it.
Just wanna ride my way. Now they road I got changed. They ain't wanna see me grow. They hate on low. They hate on low. They hate on low. Yeah.
My girl sleep. But what if I told you it's a night method you can do every night to help increase your progress when it comes down to ways in a nightly routine, you feel me? I'm gonna share with you my routine, man. Now I feel like this is something that a lot of people need to know, you feel me? Like, especially when it comes down to night routines. Cause night routines really impact on what you have to do in the morning, you feel me? So if you get the right night routine, it can help you in the long run, you feel me? Like when you wake up. So, hey, I promise you don't wanna miss it. I promise you don't wanna miss this. Stay tuned.
Okay, YouTube, man, for this night method, you're gonna need a comb. I prefer a comb with a smooth edge on the end, but any comb would do. And you're gonna need a saw brush, you feel me? You can see this saw brush been through a lot, but we're gonna make it, we're gonna keep using it, you feel me? Getting the job done. But yeah, next you're gonna need a medium brush. This right here is a medium soft brush. So you're gonna get it right. Torino Pro, you feel me? This right here is a medium hard brush. So we gonna get through it, you feel me? This is Torino Pro, as you see right there. And next, you know my favorite oil. You've been following me for a while, you know my favorite oil is castor oil, man. And this that black castor oil, you feel me? Jamaican. You see it, mango and lime, man. Stop playing with me, man. Come on, let's get it. Alright, first we're gonna start with the comb. We're gonna do a little comb through, man. And what this do, it's gonna stimulate the scalp, you feel me? And release them natural oils that you already got in your scalp, you feel me? So do it. We're gonna get it done, man. So hey, let's get it. And this is why I say I like the smooth edge comb, because I kinda had the comb tilted at a 45-degree angle, man, you feel me? Stretching my scalp. And they're gonna release them natural oil. I promise. Alright, so next, what we're gonna do, man, we're gonna grab our black castor oil. Try not to pour too much. Oh, I did it too much, but they're gonna get the job done, you feel me? We're gonna rub it through our hair, straight like that. Okay, now we're gonna do a little slight comb session, you feel me, again, just to get that oil all the way through our hair, you feel me. I ain't gonna even hold y'all, man. That don't feel so good, you feel? But yeah, man, we're gonna grab our medium brush. We're gonna get a good session in, about 15 to 30 minutes. But I'm gonna speed it up, you know I ain't gonna do y'all like that. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. Man, I know a lot of y'all like, man, Drizzle, why you using the plastic bag? You ain't even used the other two brushes yet. Look, man, listen. For some reason, I like to use my plastic bag between my brushes. I don't know why. Comment down below if you do the same thing, but this the way I do it, you feel me? See, man, look, you see how I'm looking, man. Stop playing with me. But look, now we're gonna grab that medium soft brush. I'm gonna do the same thing. Brush for about 10 minutes this round, you feel me? Cause it's that night method, you gotta think about it. What you do tonight gonna have your hair looking good in the morning, so we're gonna get it right. What I told you, I was gonna grab that plastic bag again. Don't act like you surprised. Now, we're gonna grab that little soft brush. This that lay down polisher brush. This was gonna make your hair look so silky. Gonna make your hair look silky. And ready for that do-rag, man. You feel me? Okay, this the last round of that plastic bag, so you feel me? So we're gonna take our time and brush it down and make sure everything in the place. Cause when it come down to it, you feel me? You already know how we're gonna be looking in the morning. As long as that do-rag don't come out. Man, you see it, man. Stop playing with me. Yes, sir. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. Look at that. Shine. Throw the do-rag on. You want to put it on right now. You don't want it coming off at night. It's going to be over with. Hey, don't forget to tuck that in real quick. Now, don't stop playing with me. Don't leave that out. Hey, I can't trust you if you leave it out. And look, straight like that, we gone. Yeah.
Just wanna ride my way. Now they road I got shades. They ain't wanna see me grow. They hate on low. They hate on